Right, we're powered up. I seem to have a slight mismatch in the ESCs and a bit of a bad cell on one of the batteries. Also, vibration. I need to put a few sound dampeners in it because we sound a bit noisy when we're on the water. But apart from that, everything's rocking and rolling. Alright. See, one of them's shooting like he couldn't. For some reason, at low RPM, one of them's working a lot better, but once I start putting my foot down, they seem to even out and pull the same sort of amperage. So it must be something to do with the settings. I have managed to get the other ESC acting slow now, and the one that was acting slow before is now acting fast, so it's something to do with the programming. I'll have to look into it, but we're too busy just seeing if things turn or not. So anyway. Right, well I can feel my battery's getting very hot. It's absolutely knackered. But, can we turn Bob the Builder? That's fantastic. Success. Couldn't ask for any more. Wishing you all the very best and Happy New Year from Manchester. Doing my duty, staying super dry, swizzy wizzy. Let's get busy. Have a fantastic 2020, mates. All the very best. Toodaloo, toodaloo, toodaloo.